You good, Cody? Cody, you good?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna hit the first spot.
Took a little pelvic thrusting, but we're off. We are in very
All right, me and Cody are on the water.
GoPro, stop recording.
Little guy to start the day. Got him on the wacky rig. It's a slow morning, so I figured starting off with a wacky rig. Well, starting off with a frog would work, but I guess he didn't want to hit the top water, so I figured throwing a wacky rig would work, and it did. Thanks, buddy. Not bad. Bad on the chatta. That was beautiful. So I'm not sure if you guys saw that on camera, but I saw a blow up happen right in front of me. I figured I'd throw the chatterbait out there and got a little guy. So sweet. Oh! What? Fuck, man. What was that? Something ripped my lure right off my line, man.
You ripped it off?
Ripped it clean off. Now that the sun is out, I will say it's getting a little warm. And my seat. And we're back in business. told you that frog bite was coming. Look at that. Whew. You weren't going anywhere, girl. All right. Wow. Whew. A little release video for you guys. Also, I want to get it on my phone, so there we go. That was beautiful. That was so beautiful. So just to kind of give you guys the inside of what I'm using, as you guys saw, I was using a black Vega frog by 6 cents earlier over here to my right. Something ripped it right off. So when that happened, I decided to switch with another frog that I have here. And what I did was, bear with me, I'm gonna retie. What I did was I picked kind of the darkest color I had, which I gotta resupply on frogs. But I picked this yellow belly with a black top. And I knew there's bass here. I caught on this lake specifically, I caught a 4.5 pounder in the same area. So there's usually big bass in this specific area. So I went ahead and fished over a little bit more to my left, as you guys saw. I threw it right against that tree and produced me a bite. And that thing choked it. That thing was not going anywhere. I'm very happy with it. So now that I'm retied, let's get after it.